So now they're completely taped up and I've removed the factory finish. They're ready to be hydro dipped. Let's go. So now they've been completely primed, they're ready to be hydro dipped. But first, I've got to fill the bucket up with water. Let's go. So the colours I'm going to be using are pink, light blue, dark blue and yellow. So now I'm gloved up, I'm ready to go. The primer on the Jordans has now completely dried, so they're ready to be dipped. We're just going to go ahead and get straight into it. The colours I'm going to be using first are the pink and the light blue. I'm just going to go backwards and forth with both as usual. So I'm just going to go ahead, take the lids off and start spraying. Let's go. So this is what the first dip looks like. I'm going to go ahead and do the left shoe first and just dip them. So let's go in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, let's see what they look like. Whoa, oh my gosh. Bro, that is insane. Look at the yellow. Let's see the other side as well. Oh, I'm gonna have to go ahead and redo that part right there just to cover that side, although that side does look really sick. I just gotta make sure this side is covered as well. So once again, I'm just gonna go ahead and spray a new layer. Okay, so this right here is for this side, so I'm just gonna go ahead and re-dip them. So yeah, let's go. Okay, let's see what they look like. Oh, that side still looking pretty fire. Let's see the other side. Okay, that is so sick. So this is the first shoe completely done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start doing the second shoe. Let's get straight into it. So now the second dip is ready to go. I've got the shoe ready. I'm just gonna go ahead and dip them now in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, let's see what they look like then. Whoa, look at the front. Okay, the front is looking fire. The front's looking sick. That bit right there, it's not looking too sick. So once again, I'm just going to go ahead, make a new film and dip them again just to cover that little bit there. So I'm just going to go ahead and dip them once again. Let's go. Now let's see what they look like. Oh, got a bit of grass. So this is what the second shoe looks like, completely finished. I'm going to spray them with some acrylic varnish right now to try and seal the paint and make sure that it doesn't crack when I'm wearing them. And then I'm going to take the tape off, lace them up and then show you what they look like completely finished. Let's go.